Hi, so today we're going to take a look at TinkerCad. TinkerCad is a program that we can use to create objects, three-dimensional objects, that we can then print out on our 3D printer in the classroom. So I just want to give you a general idea how to use TinkerCad. It's a website, so you can use it on the computers in this room. You can also use it on your Chromebook if you prefer. So what we're going to do is create an account, and then today we're going to look at some tutorials. Then you can go ahead and create something on your own. So let's just take a look at how to sign in. So you're going to click on the sign in button here. Don't join because we're going to go ahead and sign in with our Google Classroom ID. So click sign in. Then you're going to click sign in using social providers. Then choose Google. You might have to put in your email address. That's mine. Okay, I've used this program before, so it's bringing me to my designs. Here you can see some of the things that I have made and other students have made. And some of the things we'll make. One of the projects we'll do in the 7th grade is create pencil holders. In high school, in a class called CAD, we create some trains. So these are just some of the things that students have done in the past. What you're going to do today is you're going to click on the Learn button so that you can get to the lessons. This should bring you, you should make sure that you've clicked on the starters, and this should bring you to these, and then 3D here, and you should have these lessons. So you want to click See All Starters so that you can see there's 7 of them. So to complete the starter lessons, you just click on the picture. This is what TinkerCad looks like. There are objects over here that you can drag then onto the board and pile up and stack to create something. So the first lesson, what you're going to do is you want to read what's going on over here on the left. So read what it says here, and it asks us to add a shape to the work plane. It wants us, then you look down here, see how it says, see the orange shape on the work plane. This is a hint. Find the box shape and drag it into the work plane. So I'm going to find the box, I'm going to drag it here, line it right up with that, and then you're going to continue to the next step. You can notice that you can change the color of your box here if you want. I could make it blue. You could change different things about it, the length, the width, height. Interesting, the radius, this gives it curved edges. You can also change the shape by dragging these handles. And this little arrow allows you to lift the box up or down. And then this little curve allows you to rotate it. So I just gave you a little bit more than you got in this lesson, but that's okay. So when you finish this, you're going to click Next. And it says you finished, so let's keep going. So then you're going to click Done. And it says lesson completed. So now you want to go to the next step. So you're going to click continue. This brings you to the next lesson. This is going to teach us how to do a cube like this. So again, you're going to read what it says up here, follow the instructions here, drag objects on and do whatever it tells you to do. When you're done, then you click next and do the next step. So a couple of things. This is like Google Classroom or Google Docs. You don't have to save. It automatically saves for you. And just keep your work in. When you go back and you exit the lesson, which, for example, I can do by clicking this back to this TinkerCad thing. This brings me back to my recent designs. Maybe I can go, I'm not going to see those things that I just made here. In order to find them, I have to click back on Learn. All right, and there are those lessons again. So I can click back here and see where I left off. Let's see, I'm curious. So you can see that I already did this one and my work has been saved. Okay, so once you're done and you've done all of those lessons, I would like you to do all 7 of those lessons today. As you can see, they're really, really fast. If it takes a long time and you don't finish, don't worry about it, but I want you to get through them all. And then if you completely finish, you can come back, click on the main TinkerCad button. That should bring you to your designs. You can click Create a New Design. And you can create any design that you like. Okay? Thanks. Bye-bye. Have a good day. I'll see you next time.